Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today this is a recipe that was a recommendation from a colleague of mine who's from Russia. And his recommendation is that I should try Syrniki. I hope I pronounced it right. I probably didn't, so feel free to correct me in the comments. That is a Russian cream cheese based pancake, and it's a little breadish. So I decided to make it part of the bread baking series, but I'm not quite sure it belongs there, but I thought I'd try it anyway, so let's get started.
Only a few ingredients. We need 2 cups or 450 grams of cottage cheese, aka farmer's cheese, 2 eggs, half a cup or 65 grams of flour for the dough and more to roll out, which will vary based on how wet the cheese is, a quarter cup or 50 grams of sugar, pinch of salt, half a cup or 100 grams of raisins, which is optional and we are not using today. Sorry for the on-screen typo, it's 100 grams. Stir the ingredients together with a spoon. Then you need a dish of flour and a pan with a good amount of oil. Spoon a tablespoon of dough into the flour and cover it with flour. Mine was so wet I needed to stir more flour into the dough before it would hold together. Fry them a few at a time on medium heat on each side, about 2 minutes or so. The flour can get a bit messy. These cottage cheese pancakes are really nice. They are very high in protein for pancakes and taste really good. Traditionally, they are eaten with sour cream and berries. My girls and I all really liked them, so I can definitely recommend them. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.